Good day everyone. We are Group 1 from History W, Bachelor of Science and Marine Transportation. Today we're presenting our vlog about maritime safety and emergency response.
Our first topic in PADAM is strategies to prevent drug abuse in maritime sector.
I'll be helping with the short scenario.
And I'll demonstrate the separate steps.
And I'll be recording our session today.
Let's begin.
PADAM stands for Preventive Approach to Drug Abuse in Maritime Sectors. It focuses on keeping seafarers safe and fit for duty. There are some sample strategies used in
Step 2. Clear company policies. Shipping companies have strict rules. Zero tolerance for drug use. Step 3. Education and awareness. Crew attend training so they understand how drugs affect judgment and safety. Step 4. Mental health support. Stress at sea is real, so compliance encourage healthy coping strategies. Step 5. Reporting unsafe behavior. Crew members are trained to report concerns so accidents don't happen.
Help! Help! Somebody help!
CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, are you okay?
In real life, if a crewmate appears unfit or behaving unusually, the crew must report it and supervisors must act quickly. PADAMs help prevent accidents before they occur. PADAMs keeps ship operations safe and professional.
Through this activity, we learn how important safety is in the maritime field.
PADAM show us that prevention is key to avoid incident on board.
The scenarios help us understand real-life situations seafarers may face.
And practicing CPR taught us how to respond in emergencies. We realized that teamwork is essential on land and at sea. Thank you for watching of our vlog.
Bye-bye.